Welcome to ProMix Systems One-Shot Pump training video. This is the One-Shot Pump. The One-Shot is designed to automate the addition of laundry detergent, which contains sanitizer, destainer, and odor control, and softener to your washing machine. There are two kinds of One-Shots. There are single-button pumps, which allow one product to be pumped in, and there are double-button pumps, which allow two products to be pumped in. Here are the steps in using the One-Shot system. As per MSDS sheets for ProMix products, it is required to use protective eyewear and gloves when loading the washer and changing out empty product containers. Load the washer. Close the washer lid to avoid product splashing. Choose appropriate washer setting and start washer. Push One-Shot detergent button and hold for 2 seconds. Push One-Shot fabric softener button and hold for 2 seconds. Note that a red light will begin to flash, indicating that the softener will automatically dispense later during the cycle. Also note that each button pressed will lock out for the remainder of the cycle. Therefore, the continual pressing of these buttons may only result in damage to the One-Shot and a service charge to your group home. ProMix Systems will arrange to have a technician install the One-Shot and calibrate it to your group home's specific needs. If you encounter stubborn laundry stains, you may want to use our Presto Stain Remover, and if you encounter persistent urine odor issues in your laundry, we also suggest you try our OxiPure Urine Odor Neutralizer. Detergent and softener are fed into the One-Shot using plastic tubes. When the detergent or softener gets too low, the infeed tube will not be able to draw in the remaining product. When this happens, tip the nearly empty container on an angle so that the infeed tube will reach the remaining product. Should your laundry needs change or you're removing or getting a new machine, contact ProMix Systems to have one of our technicians come in and adjust your One-Shot system at no charge. For more information, please visit ProMixSystems.com.